Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of business finance, SAP's for Finance, General Ledger Accounting. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to understand how it works, stick around as we break it down in simple terms. Before we dive deeper into the content, just a quick note for all of you watching. If you feel that the pace of the video is too fast or too slow, you can easily adjust the playback speed to suit your comfort level. So, feel free to adjust the speed to whatever helps you learn best. And don't forget, you can always pause the video and rewatch sections if you need more clarification. So, what exactly is General Ledger Accounting? At its core, it's all about representing the financial activity of a company. It records every single business transaction, from day-to-day operations to internal accounting settlements. General Ledger Accounting ensures that all the data from these transactions is captured accurately and integrated with other parts of the business. This means, no matter what department or operational area you are in, the accounting data is always complete and up-to-date. But that's not all. There are some key benefits that go beyond just meeting legal requirements. Let's break down 4 major functions that General Ledger Accounting provides. 1. Parallel accounting. In General Ledger Accounting, you can run multiple ledgers for different accounting principles. This is called parallel accounting. For example, you can have one ledger for tax purposes and another for internal management reporting. It's like having a customized accounting system that adapts to your needs. 2. Integration of legal and management reporting. Another powerful feature is the ability to handle both legal and management reporting simultaneously. Through the integration of profit center accounting with the general ledger, you can generate reports for different dimensions like profit centers, all while ensuring compliance with legal reporting requirements. 3. Segment reporting. Now, if your company follows accounting standards like IFRS or US GAAP, General Ledger Accounting has you covered with segment reporting. This feature supports the segment reports required by these standards, ensuring your financial statements are comprehensive and meet the regulatory guidelines. 4. And lastly, cost of sales accounting. General Ledger Accounting allows you to track and manage the cost of sales. This is essential for understanding your profit margins and making strategic business decisions. The system includes the functional area dimension, helping you break down costs accurately. Now, we're diving deeper into how it integrates with other parts of the SAP system and the amazing features that make it an essential tool for managing finances. One of the biggest strengths of General Ledger Accounting is its integration with other application components in the SAP system. This allows for seamless tracking and managing of financial data from various business processes. Here are the key components that feed into General Ledger Accounting. 1. Asset accounting for tracking your company's assets. 2. Accounts receivable and accounts payable for managing customer and supplier transactions. 3. Controlling for cost tracking and internal financial management. 4. Materials management, which deals with inventory and procurement. 5. Human capital management, integrating employee-related costs and payroll. 6. Treasury and risk management for handling investments and financial risks. 7. Travel management, keeping track of travel expenses. 8. Public sector management for managing government funds and grants. When you activate the public sector business function in SAP, it adds even more functionality. You get a separate set of tables for public sector account assignments, such as funds and grants, making it easier to manage public funds in compliance with regulations. Now, let's talk about the features of General Ledger Accounting. It's not just about recording data, it also provides powerful tools to enter, evaluate, and report that data. Here are some key features you'll find in General Ledger Accounting. 1. Free choice of level. You can manage accounting at the corporate group level or at the company level, depending on your needs. 2. Automatic posting. All sub-ledger items, like accounts payable or receivable, are automatically posted in general ledger accounting. This makes reconciliation seamless and saves a ton of time. 3. Simultaneous updating. Not only does it update the general ledger, but it also updates parallel ledgers and cost accounting areas. This ensures everything stays in sync across the system. 4. Real-time evaluations and reporting. You can access real-time financial data through account displays, financial statements, and in-depth analysis at any time. These include balance sheets, profit and loss evaluations, and more. Thanks to general ledger accounting, you always have a complete record of all your business transactions. It acts as the centralized reference point for all your financial reporting, and you can even track individual transactions in real time. You can check 1. Account information, 2. Journals, 3. Transaction figures, 4. Balance sheet profit and loss evaluations. And with this level of detail, you can ensure your financial data is always accurate and up to date. So, as you can see, general ledger accounting in SAP is not just about keeping records. It's an essential tool for managing and analyzing your financial data in real time. It integrates seamlessly with other components in the SAP system, ensuring you get a complete and accurate view of your company's finances. So, to wrap it up, general ledger accounting doesn't just help you meet the legal requirements. It also integrates different reporting needs and offers advanced functionalities for cost management and segment tracking. We've learned that general ledger accounting integrates with many SAP modules, making it a central hub for financial data. Offers powerful features like automatic posting and real-time reporting. Allows you to drill down into transaction details, ensuring transparency and accuracy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Drop any questions or thoughts you have about general ledger accounting in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.